Welcome to the land of dreamweavers!
Hi everyone, Denver here and welcome to another DENstination. This time I am in Lake Sebu in the province of South Cotabato. Well, as you can see, I am wearing a native Tiboli outfit and I am currently roaming around Punta Isla Lake Resort while we are waiting for our turn to see the lotus flowers. By the way, the rent for the Tiboli outfit is 150 pesos and the boat ride going to the lotus flowers is also 150 pesos. While I am editing this video, I realized that I did not take enough videos because perhaps I was so in the moment that I forgot to do a proper vlog in this place. So yeah, I hope you still enjoy the clips that I have in the lotus flowers. Another place to visit in Lake Sebu is the 7 waterfalls, and the must-try activity is the highest zipline in Southeast Asia. Well, you know, I am afraid of heights, so I have to muster enough courage for this activity. By the way, I am joined by Nieves, a fellow joiner and a fellow Cordilleran for this activity. Okay.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay, for the first time in a while. Can't help but love my style, just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her, a superstar. Like ooh, we just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop. Like ooh, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti. Like hey, so much glitter. You can't forget her. A
Yung sa sablayan ng
superstar
haba.
like
Yung
ooh. We
inter-island.
just get better.
Longest
Our
inter-island.
dreams get bigger and we won't stop like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself tonight. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like.
Kumain na kami. While you are in South Cotabato, you can also try to visit the different agrotourism parks or farms in the area. This is in SG Farm, located in Tupi, South Cotabato. It's just the next municipality to General Santos City. SG Farm stands for Strawberry and Guyabano Farm, but I was not able to taste strawberry, the food in the farm. Ayan, so since solo joiner tayo, and for the video, set up lang, and then babalikan natin. Ayan. By the way, you can also check out my other videos highlighting the different areas in Soc-Surgeon area and Maguindanao. So, madulas yung pants ko.
Yung tulak ba ni Kuya?
Okay na kuya.